everyone, it's Gaga Joy. Gaga Joy's cooking, and we're just going to make a simple meal today. This is my actual go-to meal. I'm sure we all have them. It's sort of a comfort meal because it's potatoes, cabbage, ham, and onions, and some peppers if you want to. But it's things you can put in or take out when you have somebody drop it in, and it's just you want to have it and not have to go to the grocery store. I'm just using Crisco oil right now because I'm going to fry my potatoes first because it takes a little bit longer for them. But I don't know why this has always been the meal that I love to just cook from. I don't cook it for myself because it's just no matter how little you put in here, it still becomes too much. But I love it, and I try to cook my potato just like squares. I'll put a few in there and get them started. And then, would you believe, this is the biggest cabbage I could find. I'm okay with it because I don't need a great big piece of cabbage. But if this is the cabbage we have now, what are we going to have in the summertime? I had the life when I saw it. It's a pretty cabbage. It's just so tiny. And, of course, it's Vidalia onion time. My friend gave me, which is really what I'm doing is, a big bag of Vidalia onions. And they are so juicy and crisp. I thought, well, this is Vidalia onion season. Let's make it a big meal. I'm going to take this to somebody because I'm going to keep some up for myself. But I have a friend that loves this. We sort of have some sick people, so we're busy right now. And I'm just going to let our potatoes cook a little bit. Blanket, salt them, as you like it. I do like potatoes pretty good probably. And go in there for a while. The onions look pretty big this year, so maybe the cabbage will catch up. I don't know, but I was just shocked. And then I got that about a week ago and went back. I thought, well, maybe that's just the beginning. It wasn't. Still the same little cabbage. But like I said, I'm not complaining because it was a big cabbage. I would just have to cut it in two. And I don't need to have to, tear it over. So I'm good with it, but it was sort of shocking. I remember when I was growing up, my mother always had cabbage growing and coming on, stuff like that. And she knew the name and the different names of all the cabbage. Of course, she knew all the names of the apples, too. So I guess that's what it means to be a country girl. I have a son-in-law, and honestly, I do believe that he could live on fried potatoes and he wouldn't have to have anything else. He would just stand there and eat fried potatoes as long as you could fix them. Well, and you may like to cut your core out, but I always say that I've always left that, and my mother always did, because I like it when it's fried. Now, if it's cabbage rolls or something like that, no, but when it's fried or actually just boiled, But some people don't like it. Well, my potatoes are beginning to brown a little bit, so let's add a few things. I had some some frozen peppers. I thought I'd put in it just to make it pretty. You don't have to put it in if you don't have it. But I do like a little color anyway. And those were frozen and I needed to use them anyway. And maybe some ham. Now you can use kielbasa for this, and I do love kielbasa with this. I just happen to have the ham. And most people do love a little ham, don't they? And cabbage. Okay, well, let that cook for a few minutes. I went ahead and added my onions. Let's mix it. Put a little seasoning salt on it. Now that everything's there. And it's all coming like it should. A 1-pan meal. Yep. Okay. As you see, everything is getting good and brown. Potatoes. Ham. My onions are always sweated, which that's why I like those. And cabbage. I'll get a little bit of all of it. The onions are perfect for my purpose anyway. That's my 1-pan go-to meal. I'm telling you, if you could just smell it, if you could just smell it, it would be in your kitchen right now. So I hope you'll try it. I made cornbread, so we're to go. So if you see it's all getting good and brown, if you want a little bit browner, you just leave it. But I sort of like it this way because everything's brown. Nothing's dried out or anything. So we're good to go. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your one-pot meal, and we'll see you soon. And remember the joy.